The blue beetle, the interesting insects of our world. If you watching that means you are interested. There are various insects in our world. Some of them here with their interesting habits. The video is captured in macro lenses. In that video, there is some interesting facts of insects. This is a blue mint beetle, that also called blue mint leaf beetle. नील पुदीना पोका, इस कीड़े को नील पुदीना का कीड़ा बोलते हैं। The blue mint beetle mostly seen at mountain and riverside. They are so lazy and interested to eating that type of mint leaf. আকন্দ গাছের ফুল, that means Calotropis gigantea. This tree, that beetle interested in this tree because that leaves is very mint in taste. The male beetle are slightly small than the female beetle. The places you can see that blue beetle: Eastern Europe, Asia also, and that video from India. Their lifespan are 1 year. They sleeps at night and eating leaves, of course mint leaves, at sunlight. This is the Calotropis gigantea. This is Calotropis gigantea, আকন্দ গাছের ফুল। The species of this beetle is beetle family Chrysomelida, subgenus of Synergia, genus Chrysolina. If your garden is destroyed by this blue beetle or this blue mint leaf beetle, you can also remove this beetle by pesticides that's available in nearby hardware shop. Also interesting, they like light raindrops and in sunshine they used to live in together, male and female. They involve in mating in sunlight. You can see the females are larger than male and male beetle are slightly small. Also they interested live in a single tree for a long time, and a pair of blue mint beetle lives in a single Calotropis gigantea আকন্ত গাছে। Our channel is Nature and Truth, and in that channel we are trying to making some macro lens video and also try to discover some interesting views, just macro shootings. So thanks for watching everybody, and request to you, please subscribe if you are interested. Thanks a lot.